Hi, this is Lokesh. So I'm from BTech third year from Andhra Engineering College. So I'm starting a video on HTML. So HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So it is used to create the structure of a web page. So the HTML, so it is a document we need to create for the web pages. I mean websites. So let's see the some basic tags about it. Then we need to in this session. Yeah. So HTML tags. So these tags are used to create the web pages. So let's see where we can write the code. So go to a Chrome browser or Microsoft Edge. Click search for download VS Code. So this is one type of text editor. You can edit the code and write the code, and we can run the code also. Yeah. So click on this. So I'm not installing because I have the VS Code. Yeah. So you can directly download it, and you can go to download section, and here you can visible it. So you can download install from here. So yeah. So close it. So yeah, I can open it. So you can create a folder. So all your files, HTML files are there. So I'm creating a folder, new folder. So I'm giving it this HTML, enter. So I can go to the VS Code, and then click on file, click on open folder, and navigate to my folder. So HTML folder. So this is my HTML folder. I can select the folder. So I can get the new interface. So SI touch.us. So click on file, click on new text file, select the language. So my language is HTML. So click on enter. This is a welcome screen. So you can avoid that screen. Yeah. So this is where we can write the code and edit the code, and we can run the code also. So there are some extensions to run the code. So I think we have live server. So this is one type of extension. You can install it and you can use it. So otherwise I have live preview. I use live preview. So this is a live preview. So I installed it, I'll install it. So I'm not installing. Yeah, that's enough for the HTML language. So let us discuss some tags. Then we close the video. So I created some list, so I can go to the video making. So HTML tags. So open it. Yeah, Visual Code. Okay, yeah. So I'm covering these tags in this video. So first of all, we have the heading tags. So let's see first what is the structure of the HTML. So we can write the HTML structure manually, or we can get it. So press Ctrl Shift, I mean exclamatory mark, and then press enter. You can get directly the structure of the HTML. So this is the structure of the HTML. It contains the document tag. I mean we are getting the doc type. So this is a doc type. This HTML5. We are using the HTML5 version. I'm using, sorry. So this is the language. So English language. So this is the head tags, and inside the head tags we have the meta tags. So it is a meta charge set UTF of 8. It's a meta tag, so you can use a meta charge of 16. Also it's not effective, so we are using a UTF of 8. So this tag specifies the width, I mean scale of the web browser. We have the box type here. That means we can create the web page in it. So it defines the size of our screen, I mean web page. Yeah, it's the title of a web page, so it's use a title tag. I mean it comes about the tabs when you're opening your browser, and you have the tab name. So google.com, like Google, yeah, like that. We have the heading called document type. So these are body. So we write the code in the body tag. Yeah, and that's about the syntax of the HTML. So let us discuss about the some tags of the HTML. So first we have the HTML tags. So we have first heading tag. So heading means a heading that comes about the putting the heading. So we have the 6 types of heading tags. We have H1 from starting one, H1 to H6. So we have H1 and then have H2 tag, heading 2 tag, heading 3, and let's see H4 tag, and we have H5 tag, and lastly we have the H6 tag. So these are the some of the heading tags. So that from starting on H1 to H6. So let us type a content in. So this is heading tag, heading 1. Let's see heading 1. Sorry, typing mistake. Heading 1. We have heading 2. We have, let's see, head 3. Simply, yeah. We have next. We have head 4, head 5, and head 6. So we need to save the file. So Ctrl S. So we got heading tags. So heading tags.html. I'm saving it as, so save. So you can see the output, and right click on it and copy path, go to your browser, new tab, and paste the path and you enter. So you can see the output here. So heading 1, compare this. So size of the text will be decreasing from the H1 tag to the H6 tags. So these are useful for the H1 to H6 tags. So H6 is a smaller tag, yeah, we can use for H1 to H6. Beyond the H6 we cannot use, that means it cannot be visible, yeah. Next we have the paragraph tag. So paragraph, so this HTML is a simple English. So heading tag is defined as H1 and paragraph tag is P and bold tags is B and list tags is LI and order list is OL. So these are first letters of it, so we can easily recognize it. So this is P tag, that is P paragraph tag. So P, so I want some paragraph, so I go to Google and search for something, Wikipedia. So yeah, I go to first website. So I need to copy the text. So yeah, copy text and then I paste it in the paragraph tag. So I paste it here. Oh, sorry. So yeah, I save the file and then I go to this and Ctrl Shift tab. This is a shortcut key for running the refreshing the web page. I mean, yeah. So see, there is a paragraph comes here. So you can make, you can create any number of paragraph tags. So let's see, I want another paragraph. So this is one paragraph and I think this is taking one paragraph. Yeah. Paste me here. Yeah. Let's save this and I go to your browser and Ctrl Shift R. So see. So there is a gap between para to para. So this much amount of gap between the para to para. Yeah. We can use a while we are changing our paragraph, we can use under paragraph tag. Yeah, that's the use of the paragraph tag. Let's see. So I'm clearing it, so it's not visible. Yeah, I remove this paragraph tag. So yeah, next. So we have the paragraph tag and we have the break tag. So break tag is it to break the text of it. So we can, the break tag is a self-closing tag. The break tag is called as self-closing tag. So I'm defining BR. So it's a break tag. Save it. So the text will be breaked here associated, and then comes in the next line. Yeah, let's go to the Control Shift tab. Then see the in previous the text is continued line, and now the text is breakable and comes with another line. So there is the gap in between them. So while using the different paragraph tags, so there is a gap. So while we don't want the gap, we use the BR tag, then the line comes with next line. Yeah, that's the use of break tag. Yeah, next we have the horizontal rule. So the HR tag is it for to creating a line. Rule means a line. Yeah, that's the use of HR tag. So HR tag is also self-closing tag. So you can see the line coming next to the text. Yeah, that's the use of the line tag, horizontal rule tag. So next we have link or anchor tag. So link tag, so anchor tag. So yeah, it's defined a tag. Yeah, anchor tag. Yeah. So a href. So you need to paste link of your website in the href. So I'm taking the google.com. Yeah, I need to copy the website link and I need to paste it here. So save it and then go to the browser and Control Shift R. So there is no link showing in it, so there is a mistake in it code. So we have to mention the Google. Yeah, then we need to save it and then go to the and how to run it. So here the Google is visible. See, whenever I'm pointing to the Google, so there is a hand comes upon it and click on it, so it's navigate to the Google website. Yeah, that's the use of it. And you can link any of the websites. So I think I have portfolio of my website. Whenever I am doing internship on CodeSoft, so I use it to create my portfolio account. So I think I have it. So yeah, CodeSoft. I have portfolio website. Yeah, open it, VS Code. Yeah, you can see output of it. I'm going to Chrome and then clicking new tab. Yeah, to paste it here. You can see my portfolio website. Yeah, here is my resume. So these are also I can use the link tag, anchor tag. So I need to link my LinkedIn account and GitHub account to my portfolio website. So click on LinkedIn. So it will navigate to my LinkedIn account. See, yeah, this is the location. Yeah, it comes to my LinkedIn profile, and then I can link it to my GitHub account also. So click on link GitHub. Sorry. So we can see my GitHub account also. So these are some projects I need to do. Yeah, that's the use of the link tag and anchor tag. So you can see in the code I use it the anchor tag, link tag, I use it. Yeah. So that's the use of the anchor tags and link tags to link the websites to web pages. Yeah. Next we have division tag and span tag. So division tag is used for box line testing, and this is the inline testing. Yeah, let's see the difference between. So div tag, sorry. So division tag and div tag, you can close it with, and you can take span tag also. Yeah, span tag and div tag. So I'm taking this test. Yeah, I'm placing it in the division tag. Control B. So yeah, RP divisions. So I can take in this test and I'll place it here in the span tag. So let us see a difference of it. Save it and then close it first. So you can see, so right click on your page and inspect. So these are the developable tools. You can see your code here, so you can see my code is a paragraph tag, some paragraph, yeah. So you can see the division tag in here, so it's a span tag. So span tag is used for the, it takes some amount of space to test or style it. So whenever you come in with the CSS, it's very important topic. Division tag takes more amount of space and compared to the span tag. So division tag is a box line testing, and the span tag is a inline testing. That means it takes one line and in some amount of gap. Yeah, that's the use of the span and division tags. And then we have the next, we have bold tag. So bold tag is used for bolding the text. That means it's just used for B, bold tag. So hello, this is Lokesh, and save it in and go to Ctrl Shift R. So you can see it comes on the bold text. Yeah. So I can do it BR tag and it comes in the next line. That looks simple and pretty. Yeah, that's good. I can see it comes on the next line of the text. Yeah, that's the use of the BR tag. And we have strong tag. So bold tag and strong tag both are same. Let's see. Strong tag. Yeah. From Anurag Engineering College. Okay. You can save and we have Ctrl Shift R. You can see there is no difference from it. Both are same, strong and bold tags. Next we have italic tag. So it converts the text format from normal text to the italic text. Let's see. So italic tag defined by I. So I. So I am from Coda. You can control save it and then force refresh, Control Shift R. So you can see I am from Coda. Yeah, it comes from italic text. Comes as italic text. Yeah. Emphasize the tags. You can emphasize the text. So the syntax of this EM. So it's emphasizes the text. That means this is not see for manual purpose. Yeah, both are same and emphasize the text. Next we have underline tag. So underline, so there is so much of confusion between the underline tags and another list tags. So another list tags is denoted by UL, and underline tags is defined by only U. So U tag, and then let's see the test AI artificial intelligence. Yeah. So I paste it here, save it, and then run it. So you can see the underline comes under artificial intelligence AI. Yeah, that's the use of it. It defines the underline. And then next we have list tags. So list tags are of two types. One is order list and another one is another list. So order list, it comes from 1, 2, 3. There is an order like that. So another list, so there is no proper order. Yeah, that's the difference between it. So let's define OL tag for the order list. So in the order list we need to implement the list. So we have li tags. In the li tags we have, let's see, name. Next under list I'm taking roll number, and next under list is section. Yeah, I can save it, and then I go to this and run to force refresh. So you can see that it comes in order 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's the use of the order list. I think yeah, you can change the order of the list. So I press, so you can see the as well coming 1, 2 3, and capital A, capital B, capital C, small a, small b, small c, and this is the Roman number 1 2 3. Let's see for the Roman number. Control Shift tab, you can see that it comes as a Roman number 1 2 3 and so on. Yeah, that's the use of the order list. And order list is defined by UL. Yeah, UL, and I can copy this list and Control C, Control V, Control S, and then I go to this Control Shift R. So you can see it comes unorderly. So there is no proper order, it comes on the dotted lines. Yeah, that's the use of it. And then we have a description list. So description list is also same. So it's defined as DL, description list. See, proper English only, common English, DL, and that we have a list. Control V, Control S, and then Control Shift R. You can see description lists. It comes left side of the web page. Yeah, that's a use of the description list. And we have next we have table tags. So you can create the table by using HTML. So there are some tags. So let's see. So we're discussing about the table tags. Let's copy this. So table tags, for the table heading we have th tag, and for table row you need to create table row. This tr tag is used, and yeah, in the table row we need to implement table data. So in that table row we have used td, table data. Then we can enter the our data. Yeah, let's create one table. So first we have to mention it in, first we need to create the table. So the table tag, in the table tag we need to put the table heading, that means th. So table heading I am using as qualifications. Yeah, let's see the output of it. So Control S, and then I go to it and Control Shift R. You can see the table heading is created, qualifications. Yeah, we can create qualifications, and then we need to create the table rows. So table row, so we need to create it row wise. So first we need to create the table headings, I mean name, and then we have roll number, and we have section. So let us say it's on qualification, it's students data. Yeah, Control S, and then Control Shift R. You can see the table is created. So we need to enter the data. So I need to remove this. Yeah, this is of it. So yeah, okay. I need to create a table. So let's see. Yeah. So we need to enter the data in it. So tr tag, and we need to td tag, table data. So we need to create it order wisely. So first is name, so I Lokesh, and next another table data td. So roll number, and roll number is 14, and then our table data section is IT. Yeah, Control S, and then force refresh it. You can see the data, the table wise. Name is Lokesh, roll number 14, and section is IT. Yeah. Let us enter the data. So tr table row. So name is Reshwant. Sorry, I need to enter the table row in the table data. Yeah, I need to implement table data. then I need to close the tags. Yeah, that should be better. Sorry, mistake. Yeah, next we have another table data. There is roll number. This roll number is 27, and then table data, and section is CSC. Yeah, we save it and then close refresh page, so we can see other data comes to it. Yeah, pretty simple. Yeah, that's about the table. So we can add the border for the table. So auto is and border is equals to, I think, 2 control S. Yeah, then you can see the border of it. The student, the heading, the comes with the, yeah, you can 50 dimension. Suppose if you can see the table border. Yeah, we can mention as you like. I'm saying 2. Yeah, and then we have the space between the cells. So I don't want the spacing. So cell spacing is a tag. Cell spacing is equals to 0. Control S, and then I shift tab. Yeah, that will implement cell spacing. Yeah, that's the use of it. So it comes on the CSS. Yeah. So that's the use of the table tags. Yeah, SI tag. So SI tag use it for putting a side. Yeah, let's see some content. This is Lokesh. I'm from IT branch. Yeah, Control Shift out. You can see the text is aligned at a side. Yeah, that's the use of it. So semantic tags use other tags which are used for the search engine optimization. So these tags are heading tags. Heading tags are called as semantic tags, and some types of tags are called semantic tags out there. Yeah, that's will be better. Yeah, this is something basics about the HTML tags. That should be. So we are selecting the image tag. Yeah, so let us discuss about image tag and we close the session. So image tag is img. So img src. Src means source, where the location, where your image is located. So let's see, I'm taking an image. So I can take an image. I can these images. Yeah, I have desktop images. Yeah, I have this image. So I need to copy as path, and then navigate to each, and then I paste the path. And yeah, sorry, I need to use it 2 semicolons. Yeah, invent the commas off. Yeah, Control Shift tab. You can see the image. Yeah, that's the image. You can, so whenever the path is missing, Control S, and then so the image will be wiped up. So whenever the image is wiped up, you can use as wallpaper, save. So it comes with the name and image. Yeah, that's the use of the alt tab. It means alt natively it gives a name whenever the location is not mentioned properly. Yeah, that's about the image tag. Control V, and then this, Control Shift R, you can see the image coming. Yeah, that is about the image tag. Yeah, that's it from this video. Thank you for watching.